The Lynx Secure Digital Photo Management Software product is the ideal tool to better manage your projects. It gives you instant visual access to all of your job sites, allowing you to see actual site conditions, work in progress, critical path and milestones, and much more. It also lets you X-ray and go back in time to see exactly what was done and what occurred, where, and by whom. Acquiring images into the software is simple. Simply click on Acquire Images, choose Files, browse to any location, whether it be a digital camera, flash drive, removable drive, network drive, and so on. You can even access images directly from your tablet or smartphone. I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 asphalt images here, and now I can batch annotate them. So it's already got the project that I'm working on. If I wish, I can change it here. It already remembers who I am and all of the information that we last used. Also in Lynx, it allows you to create your own unique, custom, user-defined search fields to ensure that you're getting the exact information that you want on your photographs. There's no limit to how many of these custom search fields you can create, and you can also decide whether these fields are going to be mandatory or required or optional. Next, simply give your images a name. You can also add up to 7 or 8 pages of permanent description notes and 7 to 8 pages of additional description notes. If all of the custom search field information is correct, you would simply go ahead and save the images. It doesn't matter who's acquiring images or from what location. As soon as they're uploaded into the system, if anyone were to go browse the project, those images would be immediately available from any location or device. Once you've uploaded once, you simply repeat the process. It's just rinse and repeat. Go back and choose the next set of images. Now I'm going to go select all the drainage. I'm still on phase 1. I'm still in site prep. The only thing I want to do is change from asphalt prep to filtration system. Now I'm done. Save the images. Go right back to acquire and simply repeat the process until I've filed all of the images from my camera or device. In addition to that, Lynx also gives you powerful tools to work with these images. So if we go view the images that we just uploaded a moment ago, we can select any number or all of them and open them up into the viewer. Now behind the scenes, Lynx is also doing a couple other things for you. It's allowing you to store 10 times the amount of images in the same disk space. This also saves you 10 times the amount of bandwidth and time when communicating with your images later. As you're viewing and sharing images, it also only loads the image up to fit the viewer size. This way, even if this image was 5 megabytes, what we're viewing right now is only about 50-60K, so it loads instantly as we go back and forth through our photos. We never want to limit any functionality or quality. If we did want to see the full res image, we simply click on Show Full Resolution Image, and now it's loaded the image in its actual size so that we can really zoom in and get good high-quality detail. Another tool that's extremely handy for visual punch list type items is our markup tool. If this gasket failed the pressure test, we can go create a markup layer. This allows us then to take our redline or markup tools and draw attention to specific aspects within the photo. As with any of our markup features, you can decide whatever background color you want, transparency, size, rotate, and of course change whatever color or pen width you'd like. If I'm happy with the layer, I click Save, and this never changes our original tamper-proof image for documentation purposes. It just allows us to load a clear layer over the top of the image to point out immediately to a project partner what needs to be done and when. And of course, for any of us now viewing the image, all of the information is right here off to the left. Also, when you're viewing images, in addition to the information you're putting on the images, we also capture, if you click on the Show Metadata, any and all camera information. It includes the camera make, model, GPS coordinates. Any embedded EXIF data that's with that image is going to come along into the system when you import. You can also go search for images by anything. It could be by your user-defined custom search fields, captions, notes, photographers, or any combination, including any date range that you need. You can also save these searches to create dynamic, static, and project hyperlinks. Dynamic hyperlinks are ideal for things like CAD drawings. So if we create a query for job site trailers, then anytime somebody's on the CAD drawing and they click on it, it'll immediately go load all of the job site trailers for the I-4 project. These dynamic links are just that, dynamic. So when we click on access roads, there may be 19 images today. However, if any field personnel upload photos and tag them access roads, then when we click on that same link tomorrow, there may be 29 images. So dynamic hyperlinks ebb and flow with your data. They're ideal for CAD drawings, schedules. So here, if we want to see the job site trailers, we click on the exact same link, immediately up come all the images. Dynamic links can also be ideal for aerial photos or maps. Once again, giving you instant access to all of your job site images directly from your drawings, schedules, aerial photos, maps, and so on. Also with the link system, it's extremely easy to create what we call static hyperlinks. So if you remember, we marked this photo up with the gasket a moment ago. Now we can select one or multiple images, and if we want to share that with a contractor or a project partner, we click Create Link. Now we give the link a name. Let's just call it Visual Punch List. And so now what we've done is we've created a hyperlink that we can send to anybody so that they can view and see exactly what we need done, where, and when. So now we can take this hyperlink, share it with anyone, and when they click on the images, they'll immediately see exactly what we want done, when we need it done by, and so on. Static hyperlinks are ideal for things like Visual Punch List. Here we don't want the images to automatically update. We just simply want to share a specific set of images with one of our project partners so that they can see what needs to be done. And last but not least, we also have project hyperlinks. These are ideal to put into things like SharePoint or any other system where you want to share all of the project images with any of your project partners or any of your personnel internally. A project hyperlink, when somebody clicks on it, it'll load all of the images for the entire project. Notice how quickly you can share hundreds or thousands of photos with anybody without anyone having to install any software or download any file attachments. Users with access to the project hyperlink can also drill down through the project to find exactly what they want to see, when they want to see it, to even filter the results more. Lynx is going to allow you to streamline your photo management process in a secure, tamper-proof database. It'll also allow you then to very quickly and easily acquire and annotate your images, browse your projects, and link and share these images with any other software tool or any other project partner that you work with instantly. And again, we can do all of this without having to use bulky file attachments or have the other partner install any software in order to view these images. All we're simply doing now is just sharing hyperlinks, and we can share those hyperlinks again on our drawings, schedules, aerial photos and maps, Visual Punch List, any other application that we want to work with. There are many other features to the Lynx Secure Digital Photo Management Software product, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. I hope this brief overview gives you a good idea of how the Lynx Photo Management System can help you better manage your projects, save time, and protect yourselves against costly litigation and claim issues. Thank you.